Hi everyone and welcome to your first Ashtanga Yoga practice. Today we're going to be doing 5 Surya Namaskara A's. We'll go into a little bit of a meditation and then we'll take a 5-minute Savasana at the end with some music and relaxation. Enjoy it. Inhale the arms up. Exhale, forward fold all the way down. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, step back or your variation to come down. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. And we're here for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. On the next inhale, walk forward, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, stand up, arms up, look up. Exhale, Samastiti. Inhale the arms up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale the head up. Exhale, step back and lower all the way down. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. And we're here for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On the next inhale, walk forward, hands on your shins if you need it. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, stand up, arms up, look up. Exhale, Samastitihi. Inhale, the arms up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, step back. Exhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. And we're here for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On the next inhale, you're going to come back to the front of your mat. Inhale, head up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, stand up, arms up, look up. Exhale, Samastitihi. Inhale the arms up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, head up. Exhale, hands to the mat, walk back. Come all the way down. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. And if you need to take a break, come to your knees. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you came to your knees, come up to downward facing dog. And 5. Walk forward, inhale, head up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, stand up, arms up, look up. Exhale, Samastitihi. Last one. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale the head up. Exhale, step back. Chest up. Exhale, downward facing dog. We're here for 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. On the next inhale, hop forward, head up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, stand up, arms up, look up. Exhale, Samastitihi. We're just going to take a seat. We're going to cross our legs. Extend your arms so that the back of the wrists are on the knees. Your pointer and your thumb are pressed together and your other 3 fingers are extended forward. You're still in your Ujjayi breath. Your back is nice and straight. Drop your chin to your chest. Keep your eyes open and your gaze soft. And we're going to do some breathing here. Just relax. Catch your breath. Sink into your seat. Make sure your stomach is nice and strong so that you're breathing from your chest. Your arms are still strong. Inhale the chest up, extend the legs, lay down, separate the legs about as wide as your mat. Your palms should be face up, and we're going to be in Shavasana for about 5 to 7 minutes. Enjoy the music and relax. going to start to move our hands and our feet now. Start to waken up the body. Come out of your resting pose, but take it easy. No need to rush into the day. Take this relaxed feeling with you. Bring it into the world. I hope you've enjoyed your first practice, as I know I've enjoyed teaching it. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video.